Today, Sikio will show you how to use RFID readers. Plug in the reader first. It is mainly responsible for operating the switch for the reader. The reader lights up automatically when plugged in. Our antenna is connected to the reader using the TNC interface. Supports multiple antennas at the same time. The reader can be connected through a network port or serial port. Now we connect the computer via serial port to USB. Then we take out the test label. The tag is a unique identifier. We connect the reader device to the computer. Select the corresponding communication interface connection. We put a bunch of tags on the sensor. Click Start Read. The system can quickly read all the labeled information. The method used by Sikio Reader is as simple as that. Find out more and contact us.